Guys, we just did something unbelievable.
Easy go.
To show you what I mean, we rescued an injured bird. We actually did. Take a look at this, guys. By the way, he just got promoted, so.
What?
By the way, he just got promoted to a middle school, by the way, which is a good thing.
I'm eating dinner.
Yeah, proud of that guy. Here he is, right here, guys.
That's okay, here. It's the bird. Come here, birdie.
Supposed to keep himself fed. Come on.
टच कराओ हाँ टच कराओ तो मुंह खोलेगी
You don't want it?
खा लो खा लो
Oh, you dropped it. And there you go. So yeah, we're not gonna. The thing is, we're not gonna. Hey. The thing is, we're not gonna keep it as a pet. We're gonna take it to the animal shelter tomorrow. And recently, today was our last day of school as well. I could have recorded that too, but I was like, nah, wasn't gonna be as appealing. But it's the time. It's that time of year again. But I would definitely record my senior last day, which is gonna be next year. So I'm officially a senior now, which is awesome. He's now freshman in middle school, which is also an amazing thing. So currently having dinner, and we're gonna take it to the animal shelter tomorrow. I don't know what it's called. I think it's called Second Choice. I'm not so sure exactly, but I'll keep you guys posted in the meantime. But in the meantime, I'm having dinner and hoping well for that bird. Hope he stays alive. He says we have to feed him every hour or so, but I don't think we're gonna be able to do that. Right now it's 9 o'clock. We'll probably feed him to midnight, a little extra than normal, a little more than normal. So hopefully after that. Hearing noises out there. After that, we can take him to the animal shelter, and it's gonna be insane, isn't it? Rest well, buddy. See you in the morning. Hey, what's up, bro? Birdie?
You smell it, you don't like it.
There you go. Eating cat food like that? Oh, I don't eat cat food, really. But yeah, hopefully in the next hour or so we can take her to the hospital, which is probably in Shady Grove from what I heard. So yeah, just stay with us for a little longer, okay? Karoom?
Yeah.
Okay, buddy?
Okay, we both will go, come on.
Just a little longer.
Let's go.
Not so far to go. And we've hit Georgia Avenue up ahead. See you at the hospital, guys. Well, we made it, guys. So this is the Wildlife Center, Second Chance Wildlife Center. I can't enter through the doors though because it's staff and volunteers only. Let's see. So yeah, one of the doctors just took a robin or a baby bird, and she's gonna get looked at. See what is gonna happen to her right now. Okay, so we recently rode by houses that had like 3 to 5 car garages, which is insane. Even in an area like this, we're not like a high-end area really. I'm trying to find them, or see if you can find them or something. I'll let you guys know if you see some. This is rather big. Look at that! Wow, probably 3 cars down there. This is near Brompton Circle, I believe. It's huge. Oh my god! Oh whoa! New homes for sale. A model for sale. How about that? Yeah, these are much bigger down this way.
Well, police are asking for your help up in Harper County, looking for somebody who is wanted for walking out of the Walmart up in Aberdeen.
Sorry for the copyright issues, guys. If there's gonna be one.
Television right out of the front entrance. Stories to make it headline. 101.9.
Okay, so make it right onto Victoria Place. That's where the big houses are. Right here. Look where the garage comes in, see? Oh, yeah, still could fit 3 cars in there. I wonder how much they're worth. How much the value of these houses. rather big. Alright. Oh, how much square feet that does. Okay, this is that house number right here. Let's look up the square feet of that when we get home. Okay, so here's the update on the bird. It did not break its foot, which is a good thing. The only reason why he was showing some weakness is because he was dehydrated. It's not really a real injury, so he's okay. It's a good thing. He's gonna make a full recovery. It's what I'm happy about. And second of all, I'm gonna show you the houses that I picked up. Not only I found the one on Victoria Place, I found a couple others as well, and I'm gonna show you those too. There's actually one of them I found is on sale, which is huge. It's insane. Okay, speaking of on sale, I'm talking about, well, not on sale yet. I'll be pointing that out later on. So here are the houses I found. I found this Victoria Place right here. The first one I found, nice and modern. It's off market as you can see. But take a look at the size, 7,000 square feet. It's insane. It's massive. So here's the one I found on sale, which is the one right here. This is $1 million house, Bachelor's Forest. This is the one we made before we made that right turn. I mean, it doesn't look all that special really, but hey, this is built in 2013. Give it some credit. This was built 6 years ago, and look at that basement. It's nice and big. A second kitchen as well if you want. Nice amount of land in the back as well. You have 3-car garage, outdoor dishwasher. That's what makes this house so special. And here's one I found that wasn't so big, and this was off market as well. This is off Old Vic, 5,600. I mean, you got relatively big houses in this area. It's amazing. It's huge. Super snacks. I don't know what's the difference between a normal snack and a super snack. Let me know in the comments below if you know what that really means. Sweet relish. Interesting. Making me hungry all the way, sorbets. Okay, I did not know watermelons can get that big. Seeded watermelon, $9. Seedless, also $9. I'm at a farm now, so man, these are huge. Okay, guys, I thought I recorded an outro, but I didn't. It was already the next day, so don't mind those, my brothers. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know. Also, don't forget to check out the rest of the videos, and feel free to go to my Twitter, WT4000. It's down there. So yeah, don't forget to go down there. We're about to I need to get ready for the day, and I'm really not gonna do anything really, so I'm just gonna go to my grandmother's house and stuff. So once again, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I again hope to ride that 65 Mustang or so. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. See ya.